Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Carr. I'm a plant-based chef, and today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you for a Pesto Miracle Noodles. The pesto is made from a base of avocado and arugula and is completely oil-free. And the noodles are a gluten-free type of pasta called Miracle Noodles, which are just like spaghetti, but they're 100% gluten-free, and believe me, they're pretty wonderful. They stand in beautifully for a regular wheat pasta. I'm super excited to show you this healthy recipe, so let's get started.
Start by adding 4 cups of baby arugula to a food processor, and then adding half an avocado, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then you're going to process this in your food processor until it's nice and smooth. It can be a little chunky if you'd like, but try to get it as smooth as possible. Next, we're going to prepare our Miracle Noodles or Smart Noodles. We're going to cut open 1 package, and then you're going to take the fresh noodles and you're going to add them to a colander and then rinse them off so that all of the liquid that was in the package is washed away and the noodles are nice and clean. Once the noodles have been cleaned properly, then we're going to take them over to the stove and we're going to cook them in some boiling water. So you want to get about 4 quarts of water boiling, and then you're going to add the noodles to it and cook them for about 4 or 5 minutes according to the package directions. Then you're going to drain them completely. Transfer the Miracle Noodles to a mixing bowl, and then you're going to dress it with as much of the pesto sauce as you desire. You can do a little, you can do a lot. Whatever you do, it's going to be delicious. Divide your noodles into 2 bowls, and now it's time to serve. You can garnish these with anything you like, but I'm going to recommend here that you garnish with cherry tomatoes, nutritional yeast, and a few arugula leaves or some basil. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and tune in for more healthy and delicious plant-based recipes.